This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. You will fall in love as soon as you walk into this gorgeous townhome. Hardwood floors down, bay window and dining room, eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, breakfast bar, stainless appliances, tiles backsplash, gas fireplace and family room, 3 large bedrooms, walk-in closet, upstairs laundry, deck and private backyard overlooking the woods. Excellent school system. The only thing missing is you. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.